Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva Music without copyright issues. It's crucial to understand Canva's content license agreement for music. We'll explore the differences between free and pro music licenses, ensuring your usage always aligns with the platform's terms. This guide will help you navigate the options and make informed choices for your creative projects, keeping you compliant and worry-free. When using free Canva Music, you gain access to a wide selection of royalty-free audio tracks. You can easily filter these tracks by genre, mood, or instrument to find the perfect fit for your project. Once selected, you can integrate them directly into your Canva designs. This ensures your creations are copyright safe within the platform's guidelines, offering hundreds of options for various themes. Upgrading to Canva Pro unlocks an expanded library of premium music, offering thousands more options. A Pro subscription grants you broader commercial usage rights, which is ideal for professional projects. However, it's still important to always check specific track licenses, especially if you plan to use the music outside of Canva's direct export options. This ensures full compliance for all your creative endeavors. To maintain copyright compliance, always review the license for each music track you choose. Avoid using Canva Music in projects that fall outside its permitted scope, such as standalone audio distribution. For specific external uses, like a broadcast commercial, you might need to consider purchasing additional licenses directly from the artist or a stock music site. Staying informed protects your work and reputation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.